In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a folder or document in Google Drive. This process is useful when you need to hand over full control of a shared folder, whether for collaboration, project completion, or organizational changes. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to safely assign ownership in Google Drive while keeping your files secure and properly managed. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage at drive.google.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can access all your stored files and folders, which will help you access and manage everything smoothly. Next, locate the folder you want to transfer ownership of. Browse through your drive or use the search feature if needed, then click once on the folder to select it. It is important to ensure you have chosen the correct folder, especially if several items have similar names, for better organization. After selecting the folder, look for the share icon, usually represented by a person with a plus sign. Click on it to open the Sharing Settings panel, where you can view everyone who currently has access to the folder. Inside the sharing window, find the person you want to assign ownership to. Next to their name, you will see a role drop-down menu, which may show options such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Change their role to editor if it is not already set. Once the person is set as an editor, an option to transfer ownership will appear. Click on Transfer Ownership, and Google will show a confirmation prompt. This is an important step because the new owner will gain full control over the folder, including the ability to change permissions, delete content, or share it further. After confirming your decision, Google Drive will complete the transfer. The new owner will receive an email notification informing them that they now have full ownership of the folder. It is always a good idea to inform the recipient beforehand, so they are prepared to accept ownership and manage the folder responsibly. Once everything is confirmed, the process is complete, and your folder is now under their control. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.